Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'll be showing you guys how I created this birthday backdrop for my daughter's first birthday. I'll start by setting up this white Fadeless paper that I got from Michael's. The paper is 4 feet by 12 feet and I'm using blue painter's tape to stick it to the wall. I also got this happy birthday banner from Michael's as well. It comes with a 8-foot red string. If you purchase this banner, make sure that you pull the string in from the front and go around towards the back so that you don't see the red string in the front of the letters. I didn't use all of the 12 foot of the paper. I just used it up until I thought it was long enough to do her pictures. And I cut it and also used the blue tape to tape it to the floor. The letters in this banner are felt material, and I really like them because you can actually play with them on the string and move them around without them shifting. I believe that this banner was only $8, but I will include it in the description box. I got really frustrated with the string because it started to unravel on one end. It's kind of like when you pull thread through a needle and it's kind of hard to get through once it starts to kind of split. But overall, I still really like the banner. So to hang this banner, I used clear Scotch tape so that you wouldn't be able to see it in the photos. I did notice that the red string on the happy was a little bit lower after the fact, but I did adjust it for the actual pictures. I used these word party characters that I created. If you want to see how I created these, I will include the link to my video for these in the description box. Next, I'll be using this air pump to blow up the balloons that I want to add to the pictures. I didn't record a full video of me blowing up these balloons. So there you have it, a very cheap and easy way to do a backdrop for photos. If you want to see how I created this tutu for her, I also have a video for that. Please like and subscribe.